Hey guys, this is Seth at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. Okay guys, this is the John Deere 667A 60-inch stander. We're going to walk around this machine now. The deck is in good mechanical condition. The deck wheels on it are pretty worn down on it, but the deck spindles are tight as far as we've seen. The front deck wheels are new, as you can see here. It's got the new deck covers, pulley covers rather. Good blades. The deck adjusts up and down good. It was making a little bit of a noise at the beginning there. Something was catching a little bit, but everything operates well on the deck. The engine is a Kawasaki 23 horsepower electric start. It's got the heavy duty air filter on it. It starts up and it runs and operates well. Muffler's in pretty nice shape. Your fuel tank. The rear cushion. This is your console with your key switch, blade engagement, your hour meter, your choke and your throttle, and your controls, your machine controls. And this is your deck adjustment, your deck height adjustment. It's missing the battery cover, but it's fine. The rear tires are probably about 50% life left, as well as the front tires. You can see here, the hydraulic pump's in good operating condition. We haven't noticed any leaks or anything out of it. Some of the fins on the fan up here are broken off. That can be replaced. The wheel motors are in good operating shape. Everything underneath is in good operating shape. If you have any questions, feel free to message me, and thank you very much. Hey guys, thanks for viewing our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. We can ship these machines pretty much anywhere, so if you want a shipping rate, feel free to contact us. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.